Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy Norm, and again, I'm just doing a real quick um, shout out or bonus episode, whatever you want to call it. Just a quick little thing. So, the big thing going around this last week is a sound clip of Laurel and Yanny, right? Um, I'm convinced it says Mr. Dabalina, Mr. Bob Dabalina, but that's just me. So, but there's now another clip that has just recently come out, and it's kind of the same thing. People hear different things when they listen to it, so I wanted to throw it up here and let you guys check it out and see exactly what it is that you hear on this jam. Check it. So there you have it. Some people here never going to give you up. Some here never going to let you down. Some say here never going to turn around or desert you. Some here never going to make you cry, never going to say goodbye, never going to run around or desert you. So what did you hear? Well, go ahead and let's just let's listen to that one more time, shall we? Just to be sure what it is that we hear. Backed up a little too far. Okay, listen close. What do you hear? Sorry, folks. It was a prime opportunity for a Rickroll. Have a great night. As always, preach the gospel at all times. Use words. It's necessary. And until next time, Soli Deo Gloria.